See, I am going to show some shoulder exercises. These exercises are very important for shoulder problems, and do them to whatever extent is possible to the limit of your pain. Okay, the first exercise is join the two hands together and slowly go up and down like this to whatever extent is possible. And after doing for 5 to 10 times like this, so go up, cross your fingers and go to the back of your head like this, and then move the elbows as much front end. Basically you are doing stretching of this joint. A very important exercise. Once you do this, then you come back down and then keep it in the center like this, and then try to go outside like this and then inside. See, this is a very important exercise for stretching all the tissues around the shoulder. Okay. After you do this, turn back, join the two hands in the back and try to slightly climb one hand over the other. Maybe you will not be able to do like what he is doing. To whatever extent is possible, you do this. It's a very important exercise. After you do this, take some weight in your hand and then do rotations. Slightly bend forwards and do the rotations. Keep your hands straight. Maybe you didn't have to bend this much. Now you do it clockwise and a small or big circle about 5 to 10 times. Once you keep some 2 kilos weight in your hand and do it. After that, do cricket bowling.
This way?
Yeah, nothing. Yes, do the bowling like this. Like this, slowly as much as possible, and reverse. This is it. After you do this, go to the wall and like a lizard slowly climb up. Slowly climb. Once you reach the top, you press it. Suppose your affected shoulder doesn't reach to that level, you mark a line on that day and slowly, incrementally, maybe this is a normal shoulder, this is only going that much, you mark the level, slowly you increase the level. Okay? Now as you reach up, you press your body against it and then come back. Okay? Going up, going down and pressing it. After you do this exercise, what you have to do is you put one towel or the pulley like that, rope, and try to do this up and down like this. Up and, but in a higher side. Once you finish up that, then keep it on the top like this and then move it to the side and like this. Then after you do that, you keep it in the side shoe canal. Take this little rubber band, you take a rubber band like this and try to pull it up like this, fixing the band at your feet. Okay, these are the basic shoulder exercises. Thank you.